In this video, I will show you how easy it is to use text-to-speech on Instagram Reels. You'll learn the simple steps required to turn words into voiceovers, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the plus button at the bottom center to bring up the camera. After that, tap where it says Reel. So now you can either record a video right now or upload one from the gallery. I'm just going to upload one. And then tap Next. So now what you want to do next is tap on the text option at the top. After that, go ahead and type in the text that you want to convert to speech. Once you've done that, tap on the text at the bottom left. And then tap on these three little dots right next to it. So now you'll see a text-to-speech option, but unfortunately for me, it's currently not available in my region. It's just showing Edit Text. But if you have the text-to-speech option, simply tap on it, and you'll get the ability to select the voiceover. You can select either the male or female voice, and your text will be converted to speech. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.